guys, so I'm about to clean up because I hadn't cleaned up. I've been really lazy. I'm not gonna pretend like I haven't been lazy. I have been lazy. I got up this morning and my husband was trying to clean up and I was like, stop. Because you know how like when you clean a certain way and something doesn't even clean like that, it just don't seem clean to you. So I'm gonna clean my kitchen and my living area and wet mop or steam mop and vacuum, all that good stuff. Let's go have some business. So my family is in this area over here, so I'm gonna get started over here. Let's get started. So here is my kitchen right now. It is not pleasant looking at all. I really should clean out my fridge too, but I don't know if I want to be honest with you guys. So let's jump in. So as usual, you guys, I am starting in my kitchen. I did unload the dishwasher last night, but I was so tired, I just went ahead and went to bed after that. The kitchen is pretty standard. You do the dishes, clean off the countertops, clean off the stove, sweep, mop, those types of things. I am going to be doing a steam mop today. I try to steam mop every week or so, just to kind of get up all the dirt and things that we track in on our feet. It's been kind of wet and rainy here, so we've been kind of tracking in mud, things like that. I want to make sure that I get all that up so our little feet don't be dirty and black and everything else on the bottom and walk around the house barefoot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that now. You guys, what is the most tedious part of cleaning up your kitchen? Let me know down in the comments below. now we're moving into our dining area, you guys. I'm just doing a disinfectant wipe. We haven't been really eating at the table or at the bar or anything like that. We kind of just been sitting in the living room to eat. So I'm just going to go ahead and disinfect in case anything has gotten on the table that left any germs behind. As you saw, I stopped wet mopping, or steam mopping, excuse me, after the kitchen, because I like to go through the dining room and the living area and get everything cleaned up before I steam mop, so I can just do one kind of big swoop that way, and it gives time for other spaces to dry. It dries rather quickly. I don't know, I don't like tracking the water through. I feel like that's just kind of the same thing as the mud. As you can see, my living room is quite destroyed. My son just went down for his nap, and before his nap, he is like Godzilla running through my house. So I wanted to go ahead and get it straightened up before he woke up, and go ahead and steam mop in here as well. That way when they got up, everything was kind of put back together, and we can start our evening, which we hang out in the living room most of the time, but I still want to have it cleaned up. I do use some of the Carpet Fresh in here. I'm using the Hawaiian Breeze Carpet Fresh from Glade. It smells really good. It left a strong scent in the air, and then once I vacuum, it just kind of lingered, and it was really pleasant. So I'm going to be using that, as well as, like I said, steam mopping in here and wiping some things down. I'm going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy the rest of this cleaning motivation. Alright, you guys, so now everything is complete. I can finally sit down and put my feet up. I've been on them all day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.